We're about to make our second attempt at soldering. The first one here on the radiator didn't go so well. A lot of material to heat up. It's not a nice little piece of, copper pipe in your basement. It's, I don't know, 1.5 inch copper tubing, plus the whole bottom of the radiator. What's copper, it diffuses heat quickly. And Dad couldn't get it to melt in, so I'm taking my try. I've never done this before, so here goes nothing, hot dog. Oh, you don't work downhill or something? Oh, shit. Oh, that's problematic.
Yeah, that's not gonna work. I think we just figured out that that's not gonna work. So why are you trying it again?
There's gotta be something here, unless you gotta... Am I getting too close to the flux? How are you supposed to not get your thing flame? Can you flame on your... I'm not sure. If that's not working like crap. We're giving it the old college try. Unfortunately, trying hard doesn't necessarily get you much. We'll find out. But, not necessarily know what I'm doing. Is well, probably going to use up a lot of tin here on our wire. But I'm going all the way around. We only cracked the top section here, but as we got it off, I'm going to try to reseal it all again. Just in case. And I'm sure everyone's going to tell me my technique is terrible. Well, you know what? You're not here to do it for me. Come on. Melt down in there. Melt down in there, little guy. Coming back to the home stretch. Where I started there looks a little ugly. Jeez. This is one hellacious propane torch. At least tank. For those Boy Scouts going camping, it's not quite a... Come on. It's not... too much flux, not enough flux. I'm just gonna get solder everywhere and seal it that way. Good thing there's a lot on this roll because I am not being frugal. Look at it all. Hopefully this works out. We don't have to JB weld it. That's our next attempt at fixing if the solder doesn't take. Put some more metal up here. Come on, go down. Get everything well burnt looking. Well. I can do this from the inside. Of course, we know how this goes. Putting this torch upside down doesn't work very well. Well, see how that goes. That's my best attempt. Let it cool and we'll fill it full of water. See if it holds anything. If not, we get to melt it all back off, clean it up, and try our hand with some epoxy. Everybody's favorite fixer-uppers, duct tape, epoxy, and WD-40.